Good evening. In this video, I present unfinished tasks of my life. In my life, I had the intention of traveling to the Amazon, but I have not had the money. I have a friend who has a living in that place for a long time. I had invited me to know that place, but I had not given that possibility as soon as I had the money to buy the tickets. I will travel to that I have all my life to be teacher and to be able to teach children. That it's we I have been studying for a long time to be a good English teacher. At home, sometimes there are problems that have tried to discover me from movie for God. I have been working hard to be able to study. I given my family what they need. I have also through about saving some money to a vacation to the Amazon when I finish my students. I know I would have the consent my family to accompany me on my trip. Uh, my wife and my two children have seen documentaries of what this place is like. They have found it interesting but mysterious. Uh, Maybe they are a little frightened. I think they are right, but I will try to convince them to accompany me to this wonderful place. Thank you so much for your attention. Bye bye.